we are set. All right, before I give you the things to take home so you can drive away, let's cover MausCare one more time. Together. Now, there's a lot to cover. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, no, this looks good, but go ahead and repeat yourself one more time, just so we're on the same page, because I didn't hear a word you said.
Rotate the tire and get oil changes. That's for a lifetime, no money exchanges. Exterior coats for 12 months protection. Treated inside so to keep its complexion. Prevent stain absorption, you call that deflection. Keeping things like a military inspection. Speaking of which, have you heard the Air Force? They got a rain repellent, only one they endorse. Got that on your windshield to help repel rain. Wipers on, driving smooth, feeling like an airplane. Now Nick, you said that it drives real smooth. What about the tires when I'm on the moon? Nitrogen inflated tires help reduce wear. Lifetime refills, that's what we call fair. Now let's say they get attacked by a bear. We got $50 credit towards your repair. Now don't call me a doctor, but what causes colds? Mildew, bacteria, and traces of mold. We took care of that, it's an easy solution. AC refresh gets rid of pollution. And in the car on high-touch surfaces, we got Surface Shield that is straight up merciless. Killing and protecting against bacteria. Top of the line, meeting all the criteria. Now stop, let's get a little bit real. If your car breaks down, man, how you gonna feel? It's okay, cause part of this deal is roadside assistance to help with your mobile. And in the event of a total loss, we got something hot. Tabasco sauce. With our 90-day deposit protection, we offer $2,500 right to your collection. I wanna keep my car, does it deter theft? This right here is all that I have left. We got VIN etching right in the glass, so if robbers take your car, it could save your butt. Law enforcement use it to identify your vehicle. Sir, we found your car. Oh my God, it's a miracle. This is all MausCare, it's honestly a steal. $1,300 worth of stuff packaged in this deal. When you deal with Nick, I like to keep it real. Taking care of you and your brand new set of wheels. Get that satisfaction and hit you in the feels. Service just right and filled with lots of seals. Treat you just right, we know you the boss. Thank you for your time, man.